Oh, oops. Scrambled eggs for breakfast, guys. Ugh. Hey, lovely. Sneaking out the side way. Come on, you can do it. It's not that far. There you go. Let your hens eat, girlfriend. I mean, boyfriend. Baby. Come on, Wyandotte. What you doing in there still? You know how to get out. The debonair big galoot. Trying to get in and get him some egg yolk. Oh, here comes everybody else. The word got out. Lordy, it was just one egg. See, chickens like eggs too. Hey, baby girl. What kind of pretty eggs do you lay? I don't know which ones are yours. We need to get more of you.